Once again, welcome back to the program. ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਾਰਮਨ ਰੂ ਈ ਲਾਜ਼ਾ ਨਾਲ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਸਟ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ੂਮਰ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਫਰਵਰੀ 22 ਔਨਵਰਡਸ। ਇਸ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਓ ਕੁਝ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ ਕਾਰਮਨ ਤੋਂ। Welcome to the program.
Yeah, thank you, Harpreet. What a pleasure to be in
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
A little bit about the Zoomer show. It is held every year. What is the importance of this show?
You know, the importance of the Zoomer show is that it brings a lot of the community together. So a lot of people, like up to 20,000 people up here in Vancouver, and they get to learn about their own demographic and people that cater to their specific needs.
Right.
And there's a lot of fun too. There's bands and music and information.
Right.
So it's really fun.
This year it is going to be on February the 22nd.
And 23rd.
Okay.
Yeah.
And during these 2 days, as you said, 20,000 people come and and attend this function.
Yes.
So basically, what happens over there? Like, it's entertainment, it's information also. What kind of information is given?
You know, it's for our demographic, the Zoomer, we want specific information on our health, on our finances, on
Right.
our lifestyle, homes that need to be retrofitted as we age,
Right.
and exercises that are good for us. And they have entertainment on the stage that is of our generation. So we have a lot of people that come in, and like any other trade show, it's specific to our generation though. So that's an important difference for
So
us.
under one roof, everything is available.
Everything's available.
And over the years, you have seen the people coming and taking benefit of it. What has been the experience of the people who come over there?
You know, people are always, when they leave, they go, that was really good, because oftentimes when you go to an ordinary or regular trade show, they're fragmented.
Right.
And they're not targeted. So this way, what we've done, what they've done at Zoomer, is really just brought in the people that are specific to us.
Okay.
So you're not wasting your time on things that are not really important to the Zoomer person.
Right. And when you talk about the Zoomer person, just for our viewers, which age are you talking about? What category are you talking about?
Yeah, that's something that's important to state. Thank you for the question. 45 plus is what we encourage for
Right.
the Zoomer. So it's a baby boomer. We have people that are members of CARP, for example, that are younger,
Right.
because they're curious to know what they can help, how they can help their parents.
Right.
So, but the real beneficiaries of the Zoomer and the CARP movement are 45 plus.
Wonderful.
But our members are quite young sometimes.
Okay. You talked about CARP, and this year the highlight is going to be that a South Asian chapter of CARP is also being launched over there.
Fabulous.
And when we talk about CARP, the kind of involvement the CARP has in the lives of the Zoomers is commendable, because the issues, challenges, highlights of the Zoomers are being brought forward by CARP. How do you feel about CARP, especially the South Asian chapter being launched?
Oh, wow, that's something that's Moses' dream. He's been, you know, first of all, he loves Vancouver. So the fact that the chapter is starting in our own city is a marvelous thing.
Right.
And, you know, when we're all about, I'm a Spaniard.
Right.
So I'm an immigrant, so I understand what it's like to come into a new country and wanting to fit in, and where do you go to get the resources?
Right.
So certainly in Vancouver, the culture, the South Asian culture is very important to
Right.
us. We now also have a chapter in Richmond,
Right.
which I'm sure will cater more to the Chinese Asian community. So we're excited. We want to grow,
Absolutely, it's
and
wonderful.
we want to learn.
Integration is very important, and
Super.
this is how, you know, people can meet each other, greet each other, and know about each other cultures. And apart from that, you know, preserving their own culture and be proud of that, and along with that, integrate into the mainstream also.
Yes, and I think it's the educational. I'm very happy to participate in the South Asian CARP chapter, because I want to have tips. I want to learn and have new friends.
Absolutely wonderful. And towards the end, you also run a show called Carmen TV.
Thrilling.
What do you highlight in that particular program?
Thrilling. I'm thrilled about Carmen TV. That's a product that airs here on Joy TV and sometimes on Vision TV, our
Right.
sister station. And Carmen TV is a lifestyle show. So I focus a lot also on charity.
Right.
And help people get the word out on their own charities. And I'm now also starting to film more out in the Fraser Valley.
Wonderful.
So I want to go to an Indian wedding,
Okay.
you know.
Definitely.
Fun
we'll
things.
Wonderful, absolutely. And definitely we'll give you those opportunities to be a part of the South Asian celebrations also.
Please.
It was a pleasure having you. Thank you very much, and best
Oh,
wishes.
thank you so much, Harpreet. I look forward to more.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
Thank
ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਕਾਰਮਨ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ 22 ਅਤੇ 23 ਫਰਵਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ੂਮਰ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਹੋਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਜ਼ੂਮਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਟਾਰਗੇਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ, ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ 45 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਨੀਡਸ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤਾਂ ਨੇ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਮੁੱਖ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਇਹ ਜ਼ੂਮਰ ਸ਼ੋ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਸਾਊਥ ਏਸ਼ੀਅਨ ਕਾਰਪ, ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਊਥ ਏਸ਼ੀਅਨ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਜੋ ਕਾਰਪ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਖੁੱਲਾ ਸੱਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਜ਼ੂਮਰ ਸ਼ੋ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਉੱਥੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਊਥ ਏਸ਼ੀਅਨਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਖੋਲ੍ਹਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਓ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿ ਸਾਊਥ ਏਸ਼ੀਅਨ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਖੋਲ੍ਹਿਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਾਰਪ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਆਪਣੇ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼, ਆਪਣੇ ਚੈਲੰਜਸ, ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਕੰਟਰੀਬਿਊਸ਼ਨਸ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮੇਨ ਸਟ੍ਰੀਮ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੇ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਸੋ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਖੁੱਲਾ ਸੱਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ 22 ਅਤੇ 23 ਫਰਵਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਅਤੇ 22 ਫਰਵਰੀ ਨੂੰ 10:30 ਵਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪਹੁੰਚੋ ਵੈਨਕੂਵਰ ਕਨਵੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਵੈਨਕੂਵਰ ਵਿੱਚ।